Hello everyone, welcome to Njstar Oboe Trailer Factory. This is Jane. Today I'm going to introduce the modified version, and we do some changes according to our American standard requirements. So let's have a look. And this is American standard for coupler, 550 volts electric direction wheel or electric mover, and some plug, 2 safety chains, lifting jack, and let's have a look about the door. We do some changes. The door is reversed, and the ground clearance is 50 centimeters, and the default ground clearance is 30 centimeters. And the geo battery, solar panel display, and we change the color of the signal light according to the customer requirements, because some transportation regulation is different from China. The shore power plug, and this is a 50-meter long charging cable, and this is a winter compatible antifreeze tank. And this is a DO35 coupler. Our customer bought it, and the fire extinguisher, outdoor shower, so let's have a look about the inside of this trailer. There are 2 huge children's beds, and the toilet. We installed the toilet plate for our customer freely. And this is a portable toilet, air conditioner, music player, speaker, cabinet, and this is a control panel, a little different from Chinese version, and some accessories of the trailer: 50-meter charging cable, the American standard gas connector, and patch cord 7-pin, and some other accessories. This is a whole look of the trailer. That's all. See you next time.